Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add music to a video on Canva. So if you have a Canva project where you have your video and you want to add music, then let me show you what you can do. What you can do is go to apps over here on the left side, and then over here where you have more from Canva, you can find audio over here. And if you click, then you should be able to find a bunch of different music which you can use if you have Canva Pro. So for instance, I can use this one, and if I click on it, then it should be added on the timeline. I can move it, of course, on the timeline. I can make it shorter. I can make it throughout the whole project, throughout the whole video, if I want to. And you can customize it how you want. If you double click, then you can also move the sound. So if you want to start from a certain point, then you can adjust the time, like so. And of course, if you right click the audio track, then you will find a bunch of different options which you can try to use them, and then you might be able to find something interesting for you that might work. And after using the audio page over here, then you should be also added on the left side below apps like I have right now. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.